Guys, hello guys. We make pancake. Still white. That's the dough. What we call butter, not dough. Maybe. And this is the finished product. My daughter put already honey. I scoop with 1/3 cup and then become the same size. That's it guys. Bye. So. Guys, kumuha ako ng malunggay sa likod ng bahay at saka alokbati at kaunting talbos ng kamote. Tapos ko na inaharos at saka ito utanin ko at samahan ko ng alokbati, malunggay at saka talbos ng kamote. Yan, kaunti lang. Yan na guys, ang ginawa ko na gulay. Yan. Munggo. Alokbati, malunggay at saka talbos ng kamote. Yan na siya. Saka may tuyo at kanin. Yan. Bye. Homemade fries. That's the result. Just I cut it for the presto potato, and this is for the sandwich, chicken sandwich with fries, homemade. Bye. Today guys, we have to make chicken breast, and then I smash for this one, this side. And then become flat the chicken breast, and then I put mustard, black pepper, and little bit salt. Now we pan fry this one. Ayan na siya guys. This is fried, not fried, sato. Little bit oil on it, not too much. This is the own water from the chicken, the breast. Yes, chicken breast. And I cover. It's already cooked, ready to eat, and healthy. Bye, guys. Gawa tayo ng fries ulit para ipares natin sa burger, beef burger. Yan, tinapay yan na yun. Whole wheat bread, and 4 burgers, 4 bread, and a lot of fries. Thanks for watching. I finished my burger with fries. Happy eating. It's yummy burger.